Unboxing video of Fiido X 2025. Unbox the bike. Remove and lay out all parts. Check if all the parts are there. Unfold the handlebar. Open the quick release lever on the handlebar downwards. Turn the handlebar 90 degrees up, then lift the stem. Hold the safety lock on the stem handle, open the handle, fully raise the stem, and secure it. Adjust the handlebar angle by tilting slightly to the side, then secure the folding handle. Set the brake levers to a 15-degree 25-degree angle from horizontal, then use the hex wrench to tighten the screws. Install the battery seat post. Open the seat clamp, lift it upwards, and remove the EVA padding. Insert the battery seat post into the main tube, adjust the height, and firmly press the clamp to secure. Note: ensure the clamp is firmly pressed to align with the frame nut. If not secure, the bike may fail to start or the seat post may slip during use. Install the pedals. Take out the pedals, noting that R marks the right pedal and L the left. Install the R pedal on the right crank and rotate forward to tighten. Install the L pedal on the left crank and rotate forward to tighten. First use. Press the battery switch to turn on the battery power. Power on method 1, activate via the panel. Press and hold the power button on the panel for about 3 seconds to power on. Power on method 2, activate via the app. Open the Fiido app, connect to Bluetooth, and swipe right to unlock and start. Briefly press the M button on the panel to switch the parameter display. Double-click the M button on the panel to turn the front and rear lights on/off. Briefly press the gear button to adjust the assist level. Level 0 indicates no motor output, while the lights remain active. Double-click the gear button to switch between km and mph units. Adjust mechanical gears by pressing the right handlebar lever. Push the larger lever inward to downshift and the smaller lever outward to upshift. How to remove the battery seat post. Battery unlock method 1, unlock via the app. Connect to the bike in the Fiido app and press the button. Open the seat clamp, lift the seat post, and remove the battery for charging. Battery unlock method 2. Use the Fiido app, connect to the bike, power on, and open settings. Set Open EM lock mode to PWD mode. Create a custom password, such as 1, 2, 3, 4. Double-click the unlock button to access the password input screen. Press the gear button to enter numbers, then press M to confirm. If the password is correct, the unlock icon turns green, allowing you to open the seat clamp, lift the post, and remove the battery for charging. If incorrect, the panel beeps twice, requiring re-entry. Battery unlock method 3, unlock via the panel button. Double-click the unlock button on the panel to unlock directly. Open the seat clamp, lift the seat post, and remove the battery for charging. How to charge. Open the dust cover on the charging port beneath the saddle. Connect the charger to a power source. Red indicates charging, green indicates fully charged. How to fold the bike. Lower the seat post, open the seat clamp, lower the battery to minimum height, and secure the clamp. Fold the pedals, pull the middle lever with your finger, and fold up/down. Fold the handlebar, press the safety lock on the folding handle, and fold it down. Press the vertical tube lock button firmly with your thumb, then rotate the handlebar sideways to complete the fold. Press the vertical tube lock button firmly with your thumb, then rotate the handlebar sideways to complete the fold.